Hi everybody, it's Greg with Aroma G's, and I'm going to show you the new Botanica box for the Yuletide. Each month we're going to do a different box. It'll be a mystery box, except this month we're actually going to solve the mystery for you and tell you what's in our first box. So it's got a lot of things in it. The total value is worth $75 and it's only $49.95. So one of the first things is our Yuletide Toddy Herbal Tea. And it is so it's herbal, so it has no caffeine. It has let's see, cinnamon spice, orange, cranberry. So even the kids can drink this one. They have our pomander spice soap, which we have made for over 12 years now. So it sort of smells like bay rum, but it's named after the Victorian pomanders that people would do for their Christmas ornaments, which was made out of oranges and cinnamon, and this has patchouli in it. And then peppermint soap, peppermint of course Christmas, which is a mixture of peppermint and corn mint. Corn mint is a wild mint native to the Americas. It is more of a menthol than peppermint, so the two together are good. And then we have our lump of coal, which is actually our activated charcoal soap. So it's good for troubled skin. It has tea tree, palmarosa, lavender, all the things that cure skin. But if you know anybody that's been naughty, it looks like you're giving them a lump of coal. A bottle of our Saint Nick Giving Oil, which we premiered last year. It has frankincense and myrrh, angelica, fir needle, cinnamon, and orange in it. So a lot of people use that. They put it on their Christmas wreaths, things like that, to bring about the smell. Next is our hand-rolled beeswax candle. These burn really, really well. This wick hasn't been trimmed yet. So we roll these ourselves. Inside, we roll the scent of bayberry on it. It is made from real bayberry ingredients. And next is a bottle of our Nightshade perfume. This is our unisex perfume, so many different people can use it. Men or women both love it. It contains essential oils of bergamot, frankincense, lavender, patchouli, and other fine fragrances. We mix essential oils with fragrances in all of our perfumes. A little beaded bracelet. There'll be different types of bracelets in each box. This little wooden one with an owl on it. A cedar smudge. So perfect for Yule. Cedar trees are considered old and wise, powerful, and people use this to cleanse out the energies in their house, just like the way you would white sage. A bag of frankincense resin. So you can actually burn that on charcoal if you want, or mix it in oil. A bag of our house blessing bath salts. So where you would normally bless a house with like the sage and everything, you would use the bath salt to cleanse yourself before you do it. You can also mix the salt in water and use it to actually cleanse the house, or pour it around the house to bless it. And then there are 3 stones we picked specific for the Yule season. There is snowflake obsidian. Snowflake, it's Yule, come on. So it brings about a feeling of balance to the mind and the body. It's supposed to draw your emotions to the surface and dispense them. Crackled quartz, which they add temperature to quartz to give it that crackled effect. But it has the same properties of quartz. You can use quartz as a generator to amplify the power of any other stone you're using. And then last is garnet. So garnet is used for protection magic. It's used to represent fire. Think of a Yule fire log. So that is everything that is in the Yuletide 2019 Botanica box. We're already planning what's happening in January. You can get this on the website at aromagregory.com. from now until Christmas. And then right after Christmas, we'll be releasing the January Botanica box. So get them while you can. We're already filling them up. Thanks. Bye-bye.